All right, today we're doing an unboxing of our Predator Auger. Got this from Harbor Freight, so let's get started. All right, today I got to get some holes dug because I got to put some posts in the ground. So I went and picked up this Predator Auger. I got this from Harbor Freight. Right now the price was $229, which is pretty reasonable as long as it works. So let's get started with the unboxing. All right, so you got your requisite foam here. All right, so this is a 2-cycle auger. That means you got to be aware of the fuel that you're going to use. You're going to want to use a mix of 50-to-1 for this auger. You can mix it yourself, but I just find it much easier and more convenient to buy it pre-mixed. That way I know that the mix is correct. And here's the actual drill bit. It's got a 6-inch diameter. It will go 31 inches deep. I'm not particularly happy about that. I'm really trying to dig about a 4-foot deep hole, so I'm gonna have to figure out how I can get a little bit lower. All right, so it comes with the instructions. It comes with a fuel mixing canister, so you can mix your oil and your gas. Comes with a Phillips head with a socket attached to it, a small screwdriver where you can insert different types of screws, and then an Allen wrench. All right, so attached to the auger bit, it's got a cotter pin here. You just take the pin out, and then this is going to go over. You line it up, put the pin back in, and then make sure you put this pin back, or else it's not going to last very long. All right, so the auger is fairly lightweight. It's 20 pounds. It's going to be fairly easy to manage as it's digging down. One thing to remember about these, if you know there's nothing in the soil, it goes down fairly quick. It does dig really well. From my past experience with other augers. One thing with this type of auger, if you hit a root, it's going to tend to jerk it. So you need to kind of be prepared for that. But also remember, before you do any digging, make sure you know what's underneath. If you're in your yard and you're in an area where they have construction or any residential or anything like that, you need to make sure that you check with your electric company, the gas company. They'll come out and mark where the lines are on your piece of property, because what you don't want to do is hit anything like that. Where we are, we're in the flood zone, where this used to be a field right here, so that we know that there's nothing. We've already checked. There's nothing here for us to worry about when we dig down.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna be easy.
All right, whenever you're digging your hole, this specific auger bit is a 31 inch, so it can only go down that far. If you need to go a little bit deeper, one thing you can do is at the top, is dig it out a little bit more, make about a 16-inch circle around the hole. Then that way you can go actually into the hole with the auger to go just a little bit further down. All right, so the Predator Auger is a gasoline powered engine. It's 52 cc's, 2 horsepower. It does take the 50-to-1 fuel mix. It does go through soil with ease as long as there's not too much underneath. It spins at 320 revolutions per minute, weighs just 20 pounds. It's not very difficult to handle. Just look out for those roots. The fuel tank capacity is 0.3 gallons. I was easily able to dig deep holes without even seeing the fuel move much at all. All right, so the Predator Auger did a great job for us. It allowed us to put these 9 poles in very easily. We have one more to put in the middle. We'll get that done shortly. So stay tuned to this channel if you want to see more reviews of different tools, as well as doing some off-grid builds, because that's what we're in the middle of now, building an elevated cabin out here at our little property on the creek. So thanks for watching.